So far we have seen how to add and write custom style sheets to our Django. So let's see how we can add Bootstrap to our Django. So for this example, what we're going to do is we're going to use Bootstrap 5. So to do that, the first thing what we have to do is we have to get to bootstrap.com, and here you need to set that up. Let's get to the documentation, and if I scroll down you can see that we have the JS and the CSS both available. So let's get back to our code, and I'm going to minimize all this stuff, and in the static I'm going to go to the templates in the base.html. So this is where we're going to load our CSS. Okay, so the first thing is that I'm going to get rid of this, but just this. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this one, and let's get back over here. I'm going to take this link. Okay, that's the Bootstrap CSS. Just copy that and paste it here. Okay, and now we need to add the JS too. So right below this, we are going to add this one. So let's scroll down, and you can see that we have script. Just copy this, and here we're going to say script. Okay, so I need to change this to HTML again, and let's change that to HTML, and here we're going to say script. And set the src to this one. Okay, so that's added, and now we have this block content, right? So I'm going to keep that there, and beside this, what we're going to do is we're going to use a div dot container. Okay, so Bootstrap has this container stuff where we can store most of the stuff inside this. So we're going to make this a little bit higher, so we're going to say my, that's the vertical height for that. Actually, that's the margin to the top, and save that. Okay, and here what we're going to do is we're going to take all of these items and move it inside this. Just paste it there. So I don't need this extra space, so I'm going to get rid of this one. Save that. I can get to the browser and hit refresh, and you can see that the styles are now changed. So we have beautiful fonts here. So I'm going to get to the home page, and it still shows these basic hello world. So I need to change that one too. So let's get to our home app. Okay, in the welcome page, the first thing is we're going to get rid of all of these items here. Okay, and we're going to say extends base.html, and then we can say load static, and actually we can get rid of these things here. Then we can say block content. Okay, so let's get rid of this, and I'm going to move this inside this. Okay, so let's tap this a little bit, save that, and let's get back here. Let's hit refresh. You can see this, we have this beautiful hello world thing. So adding Bootstrap to your Django templates is that much simpler.